Alright, so here's the Foxbody 9tails with the Coyote Swap. Yeah, ported Cobra J intake, ported FRPP, the Cobra J intake, and can't see it, but it has long tubes, Kooks long tube. And this was the engine that was in that one S197 I bought, so I swapped it over. It's running rich, so the car probably doesn't sound correct, but once I get that fixed, if the next thing will be the tailpipes and just getting it tuned again. Right now it's on a bass tune, but yeah, that's the motor and that's the 9tails. All right, here's my Coyote swapped Fox. It has a Bassani mufflers, Kooks long tube, Kooks mid pipe, X pipe, but mufflers are dumped right at the end. Damn, that car is nice. One brake light works. Oh my god.